Are your testimonials or referrals working as hard for your business as you did to get them? If you want to know more, click the link in the description below or visit masterbuildingyourbusiness.square.site to learn more, because testimonials and referrals have two important roles for building your business. Most people hide their testimonials on a separate page where they're never seen or rarely seen. Because testimonials and referrals have two important jobs. The first is to motivate you by being on your digital vision board, so you can get motivated during the times when things are not going as well as you expected. And the second job is to provide social proof to get people to buy when they're in the process of deciding whether to buy or not, which is where testimonials come in. But if testimonials are not in the place where people are deciding whether to buy or not, then you're wasting the opportunity of getting social proof. Testimonials and referrals naturally generate. So if you want to learn more, click the link in the description below. Thank you.